Hello people, wait, what was these two trays? Oh, okay. 7 for 1. Oh, these are uncommons and uncommons for that. Should I accept this? All those. That's uncommon, very common, uncommon, common, very common. Yeah, for this. OMG, I really wanted this. And that. Maybe that. I don't know. Maybe. Wait. Wish list. Sure, I have one more rare left. Besides, I really wanted these pets. Savannah. I'm gonna name her Celestia. She looks like Celestia except the she looks like shush. People don't like you singing. I like when you singing. And besides, I'm videotaping. I don't know. I don't know. Ew. I need new ones. I really love this one. Look at it. It looks so cute. Look at my sister is playing on playing. I really like this one. Jade! Oh, these look so adorable. I got a black one of those. Oh, I did not know that. Nice. Wait, do these go on dogs? Yes, they do. Oh, it's black ball. How do I do this? Oh, no. Okay. Which ear is this gone? This one. like if it's Christmas or not. I just okay, that's good. What did I? I'm just gonna make a random bits. I want to decorate some. Should I cut any red one? I have a lot of bugs. Oh my gosh. I know. I did not name these right. I like him, but it's actually not really black. It's dark blue. Frosty the dog. What's it? Oh wait, what? You look good. Please, fit, you have to. It's like, I'm advancing it. Yeah, looks good. Ooh.